What's going on, you beautiful people? I don't know why I'm so happy. Last video you saw was me on track, and now I've got to spend like over 200 quid getting my car fixed because of that, because my brakes are absolutely screwed. If you got me on Snapchat, you will understand why I'm saying that. Like, they are just gone to shreds. Like, there's no pads left on any of my brakes. My rear caliper is seized. I'm hoping I don't have to buy new front discs, because the front disc ain't bad, it's just that rear right caliper is seized on, so that disc is screwed. But yeah, we're heading down now. My mates can do it for me, because I don't know, like, I can't work. The rear caliper confused me because you got to rewind it and stuff. It's quite an odd one, so I don't want to touch that. And also, I don't know exactly what I'm doing with the pins, because obviously it's seized, and I couldn't buy new ones from Ford, so my mate's going to fix it for me. Also on the front pads, I would change them myself, but problem number one, being they're 6-pot big brake calipers, I didn't know what pads to buy. My mate's got me some yellow stuffs. And number two is that I don't know how to change pads on the 6-pot brake system. It's not like, I'm pretty sure it's not like the stock caliper, and I better know how to do a stock one, so I don't want to do it and it goes wrong. And then obviously got to do the pumping and all that. Like, it just confused me. I don't exactly know how to do that. So I'm on my way down to get my mate to do that for me now. Running a bit late, but I'm on my way. And then yeah, I'll show you the devastation of my pads, I guess, when from the track when we get there. But yeah, we'll just enjoy the ride and let's go screw my bank account a bit. That's why you got to be careful when you're sending it to our track boys. So we just arrived. We're getting the fresh pads on the front on the big brake kit, and on the rears we got new pads going on as well. So when we're back we should be sweet, because I've toasted them pads and the rear pads are right, but the other side, like I said, it's seized on. So obviously you've got to change both sides, so you've got to change all that around as well. Bane of my ass, over 200 quid in repairs, but you know, you've got to send it. But yeah, I burnt the fuck out of my front pads. I probably shouldn't have bought yellow stuff again, but they are good. They do justice. And I mean, you saw my track footage, but my tyres are still looking very good. So that's all sweet. But yeah, I'll show you what I can of us getting it back to its former state, and hopefully it'll be happy days again, because it sounded disgusting with the pads as they were. Video, yeah?
Burnt, boy.
Crispy.
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, that is actually quite bad. Yeah, that's not very good. Never go full send. Unless you want to, like I did. But then make sure you can buy pads afterwards, which I didn't think of doing. You gotta love yourself a fresh bit of yellow stuff pad. Like, old, new. It's a bit of a difference. There's a tab. They got very, very toasty. Oh my god. Yeah, that is not good. Luckily the disc is still alright, even though it's a shit, like a 40 quid ST170 disc, but that pad is no more. That is not good, but gotta love that. Garbage, not garbage. Happy Tom.
Hot Tom.
Hot, sexy Tom. Fucking Sticky Vicky. Love to see it. That is proper tyre shutting. Go on, give it a good old brush. That's a fresh disc right there. Look at that disc one. I'm dirty now.
Hey, might as well do them then.
I thought the rear pads were going to be alright, but it's so like, it's munched up, man. Don't know what happened. Lucky I'm replacing them, isn't it? Yeah. They were quite dead. That's only been like 4 months, 5. I don't know. But yeah. Getting the freshies. The freshies. Also, I hope you boys can appreciate my half blue, half red caliper setup that I went for, because I left the calipers on when I painted them, the paintbrush. Like, I didn't make videos back then, but yeah, they don't look good. But I mean, the fronts are done, the rear pads are getting done, and then it's the other side that's seized on, so that's going to be the canty one. But yeah, also, no one realised about that at Ford Fair. So I told you no one noticed that. Like, everyone knew that I'd scratched it up, but I told you no one really noticed it if you weren't looking for it, so I'm smart. But yeah, after this is done, we should be sweet, and then I'll be a happy boy because I can drive my car again. This is what happens when your caliper seizes, when you drive home from Silverstone and you go on track. The pads are not, like, non-existent now, and the disc is pretty fucked as well. I mean, you could eat your dinner off that.
It's pretty shiny.
It's like Jupiter, mate. Nice little ring. Sick. Fucking up. Not your first time doing that, Tom, is it?
Oh no.
Oh no. And that is how you unseize a rear caliper. Rear caliper and ST, something you can keep. Everyone has it, they just seize together. I don't know why it does it. It's a common problem apparently, but yeah. Mine are now unseized, which I'm very happy about. Also, when I was filming that, I felt I lost my head. I moved it and it stung me on the middle finger, and now my fucking finger's in a lot of pain. So you should like and subscribe just because I went through that pain and I still got the clips. But yeah, last one's going on now. It's got a Brembo rear pads and disc with EBC yellow stuff front pads, same disc, I didn't need replacing yet. And then I've got to do like a couple 100 miles of either drive and just get all the red shit off the yellow stuff pads and just bed them in so I don't fuck them up. And then we should be good to go. She's back in business, boys. I still haven't even unpacked my car yet. This is very bad. Right, let's set you up here. Let's have a chat. So yeah, the brake's done. We've got all pads all round. Very happy boy. Just drove home. I just had a motorway, so I was just trying to get ready to bed here. So I just kept lightly braking everywhere, and yeah, should be sweet. Got to go to the gym now because, as I said, I've become a gym lad. So me, Joey and all the boys are going up to the gym to hurt myself. I'm starving, obviously I can't eat now. I'll wait till after. But yeah, this is the one problem I have whenever I do a track. Like, I did track session last year at Ford Fair, and like I did like over £300 worth of damages to my brakes last year, but luckily this year I didn't need any new discs. Thank God for that. But yeah, one thing I would say is, if you're going on track, just bear in mind you're more than likely going to need to replace your like pads and discs, maybe even tyres afterwards. Like, I loved going on track, I love every minute of it. It's just when you get off, you have to be able to make sure you can pay to get your car back to the standard it needs to be. Luckily I had 2 days booked off after this track session, but it was annoying because I wanted to film yesterday and I wanted to film more stuff today, but I could only film this. But yeah, I mean, we got it done. But yeah, if it's worth going on track 100%, but make sure you can afford to fix your car afterwards, because you will need to change stuff up, and that's the one annoying thing about the track. But with that being said, the next video you'll probably see will be my 2 years ownership of the Fiesta ST, and what I like and what I don't like about it, what things have grown on me and what things have just started to make me fed up with the car. So stay tuned for that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's never fun buying new pads and discs, because it's like buying tyres. It's just like, I don't want to have to keep paying for stuff like this that's not really, obviously it helps stop my car, but I'd rather spend it on a lot of other things. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Smash a like if you enjoyed, comment what you think, what sort of disc and pad step you think I should run. Make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to when I wait for 20k, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you boys in the next one. Peace.
Sometimes I know.